Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here looking at Tesla. Now, Tesla used to have a lot better pricing on their options, but so many people and so many bots and whatever have jumped into the Tesla options pricing bandwagon. Seems like across the board, options just aren't getting as much premium as we used to squeeze out in a lot of stocks that are popular. A lot of the unpopular stocks, okay, maybe we still get some premium. But like, here you go. We're a month out and you're only getting $9. You used to get $1,000 a week for Tesla, okay? Now, that's not great news for options world. But for the stock, it is good news because it doesn't look like it, but it has become a lot more stable. Okay, weird, right? You see a variation between $400 and $120. That's a lot more stable than Tesla stock used to be. Well, that's still true, okay? It used to have those kind of swings in a couple days, not months. Anyway, if we look here, we have a range between 160 and 210. Now, it looks like we could be going lower, okay? If we look at this pattern, you see the pattern kind of tops off at 210. Then we go drop and go back up. It doesn't quite reach 210. And then it drops again. It drops lower. And it's going back up higher to 200. And it looks like it might be hitting the top again. I'm not sure. So what I want to do here is I don't want to go face first into it, right? I don't want to fall into this thing. But if it does indeed continue to creep lower, it does have some good support right here at the 110. $100 mark, 110 mark, whatever, which is like half of where it's at right now. So that would be a horrible loss, just like from 400 down to 200. So luckily I didn't start accumulating then, but I started accumulating a little bit later. So, but I'm still down slightly in this position. But if you take into account the options that I've sold, I'm not. But that's past. So looking forward, this stock could be going lower, could be going higher. I'm not really sure what's going to do. Okay? So I'm going to play it safe. So I'm just going to say trade. Here we go. I'm going to buy 5 shares. Okay, now I don't want to use this account. I only got 5 shares in there. So my goal in this account is to get to 100. And that way I can play both sides of the option. Although the options premiums are not what they used to be, like I was saying before. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but I do like Tesla stock. So I am going to accumulate another 5 shares, which is going to cost about $1,000. So that's okay. I'm going to say buy. Got plenty of buying power right now. All right, so you guys can see I have another 5 shares in Tesla, and we can look at the position. And if you guys want to have my real-time stock trades and get updated real-time, you got to go join my YouTube channel. You're probably watching this on. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and pay the small monthly fee to get my notifications and access to my private stock group and video courses. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.